This is our video for the first concept covered on Test 9, 9.1a. And in this concept, we have two different things. First, we have a distribute and solve, and then we have a word problem. So let's start with the distribute and solve. We're going to be multiplying -5 times x and -5 times 6. That's the distributive part. So we end up with -5x plus -30, and all of that equals 15. Our first step is to clear out the constant term. That's the -30, so we add a 30 to both sides. That gives us -5x equal to 15 and 30 makes 45. And then our last step is to divide by the coefficient. Divide by the coefficient, do that on both sides. Here's our quick check that we divided by the right thing. We get a 1 here. 1 times x gives us x. 45 divided by -5, -9, and that is our answer, -9. A quick check of that answer. I'll use a space. So a quick check would be to say -5 times -9 plus 6. Does that equal 15? We have -5. We do the parentheses. -9 plus 6 is -3. And yes, negative times negative equals positive. So -5 times -3 equals 15. And we like the way that one turned out. Number 2. Sophia's MP3 player contains 2 playlists. Each playlist has 12 Jay-Z songs and some Rihanna songs. Both playlists have the same number of songs and combined have a total of 50 songs. How many Rihanna songs are on each playlist? So we need an equation first, and that equation is 2 playlists, each of which has some Rihanna songs and 12 Jay-Z songs, give us a total of 50 songs. When we solve our equation, we're going to distribute 2 times x is 2x plus 2 times 12 is 24. All of that equals 50. We're going to remove the constant term, which is the 24, by adding its opposite, adding a -24. That gives us 2x is equal to 26. Divide by the coefficient by the 2. Here's our check of that. We get the big 1. We end up with x is equal to 26 divided by 2, which is 13. So there are 13 Rihanna songs in each playlist. So look that over, compare it against your test when you get your test back, see if you got it wrong, figure out what you did wrong, and then if you have additional questions, please bring them to class.